guys, it's TinaGale here, and today I have a little bit something different for a process video. So I'm going to work with the double shot kit from the Scrap Room. This is Simple Stories Fresh Air. So if you're not familiar with the Scrap Room, I do all of their reveal videos, so I'll leave a link down below and you can check that out. This month we got 2 sheets of the Storm cardstock. I think this is bubblegum cardstock, but just a pink and a stormy kind of blue. These are the pattern papers, and I've cut into one. You can kind of see a little hint here. So there was this pink plaid. This is Smile and Enjoy. Beautiful wildflowers on that dark navy blue. This is Bright and Beautiful, which is butterflies and dragonflies and little moths, and I'm going to fussy cut some of these for some embellishments. The back is this cute small white floral on green, and then we have this one called Fresh Start, and it's a script that says it's a lovely day. The back is this gorgeous little floral, which I could fussy cut these too for some embellishments because I was wanting some more florals, so I'm going to leave that side up. So today we're going to be making a Memorydex card. So I've already gone and die cut a piece of this. I'm going to use the script print and just to make a little Memorydex card. These are the embellishments that you get. So the great thing about the Scrap Room is you get a sample of all the embellishments, so you can kind of pick and choose and you're not breaking the bank. So we got this chipboard frame, some of the foam stickers, and then some of the ephemera pieces. So as you can see, there weren't a lot of florals, but I wanted some little florals to decorate. So I'm going to leave that side up to fussy cut some of those and to fussy cut some of the butterflies. Okay, so to the project. Like I said, today I'm going to be scrapbooking a photo of my grandson and myself, and then I want to do a second one. I have a photo of my daughter with him, and I want to do it as well. So one of them, and I think it's this one, I want to use this. I'm going to have a little photo over here and then some embellishments. So that's where the fussy cut of the florals, the butterflies. I even thought about possibly using this foam sticker on it, maybe one or two of the little flowers. The other one, I am thinking I'm going to die cut out of this paper, and let's see how that looks. I was wanting to use this. Like that. I like this little piece that would match in. I'm going to do florals. I might use that, and I might use the little tag here. That would be a good complement. So I'm going to die cut one of the other ones, and I think I'm going to use the one with the large tab. So I'm going to die cut that out of this paper and then kind of figure out the embellishments, and then I will be back to share what I've done. So I went and fussy cut some of the florals and some of the butterflies from the pattern paper so that I would have those for embellishments. So on this first card, you can see these 3 flowers here are cut from the pattern paper, and the little dragonfly and this small little floral. So that is an excellent way to get more embellishments when you don't have quite what you're looking for. Now, of course, I could have used these puffy stickers here, and they would have been great, but since I had that pattern paper, those are some beautiful embellishments. And on this second one here, I fussy cut the little butterflies here, and then this one is the foam sticker. And I think I'm going to add some enamel dots. I added some of these gumdrops to this one, and I'm trying to decide if I want to do that on this one, or I think the orange is not going to match on that one. I want to find, I think, just some pink or yellow, pink and yellow. So a final look at the 2 Memorydex cards. So I'll go ahead and put a date stamp on these more than likely, but I love how they turned out. I made a little boo-boo here trying to move those, so If it gets too sticky, I have just a little bit of sticky left, I will reprint that photo and redo it. But I love how they came out. One thing that I did mean to do and I forgot till the end was I was going to take them to the sewing machine and stitch around them. So if you're making some of your own, you might want to do that. I think that would have added a really nice touch and texture. But those are sweet. I love them. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of different project and that you'll try Memorydex cards too. So thanks for watching, and we will see you soon.